Today guys, I'm going to do another TEMU haul. This is actually my 6th TEMU haul, but I did not film the other 4. But the last one I filmed, it was a drill, so you could check out one of my videos in product review and you'd be able to see the last video. So this one guys, I'm going to open up. It's just some random stuff that came through, so I'm just going to open it up. Let's see what comes in. Okay, so this one here is a light. This is a light that you could put under your cupboard. Let's open it up here. This is the charger for it. These are the magnets. And this here is the light. I will just put it on to see. Oh, there it is. I'm hoping that you could see the colors. So if you need any additional light in any space where you want to see under your kitchen cupboards, then you'll be able to put it up, or your closet, and you'll be able to get this light. And it has some magnets that you could attach so that it could stay in place. This here is, this is a solar panel that I ordered. So there it is. It's a 30-watt solar panel. I'll put all the prices and everything in so that you guys can see how much I paid for this stuff. As I said, it's just random stuff. I will give it a test to see. This is the instruction that came with it. This is the cable for it, and it also has 2 magnets you could put on your backpack. You could use it to charge up any of your devices. As long as there is sunlight, you could charge up any of your devices. Solar panel. Let's see what else again. Okay, so this one is a USB fan. You could use that just for cooling purposes. You could use it on your computer if you need some extra cooling. It's powered by USB. There it is. USB powered fan. Give it a try to see. Remember, in the corner here I'm gonna put the prices so you'll be able to see what I paid for it. Let's see what else again we've got. Okay, so this one is just a small device for my tablet. It's an adapter, C drive. This is a bag, storage bag. Okay, seems huge enough. There's the brand name, Blues, River Flows. Okay, this one here is another bag. This is a storage bag that's for your clothing, your bed sheets, your towels, anything that you want to store. You'd be able to store it through there. Let's see. I ordered a couple before. The quality in this one is not as great as the others. So it has a zip. Zip it here. Okay, you'll be able to fit in all your clothes, and it also has the clear plastic here that you'll be able to see whatever it is that you store. So clothes that you don't use for a while, for some guys they store their winter clothes away. For us, we store our towels, our bed sheets and stuff like that, and when we want to get it, it's easy access, and it has two handles. Okay, let's see what else again. Oh, this is when you're out facing the sun and you need to get your arms protected. This is just a protector for the arms. Okay, right, so this is it here. You're just able to fit your arm right through it. Just do a small demonstration of it. Okay, the quality seemed to be okay. That's basically it, to protect your arms from the sun. So I'm just gonna try the fan. It has just an on and off switch at the back. Doesn't have speeds, but just the switch, so let's turn it on. Kind of quiet, not very loud, and it can rotate. Very nice. That's sufficient air because it's a small fan. It's doing well. So with this solar panel, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plug it in. I'm going to put my phone in out in the sun, and I'll see how well it works so that it can get some charge. It's a 30 watt. There's the solar panel. I'm just going to plug it into my phone. The sun is not as bright as I would like it to, but let me just plug it in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Calabash Green Playlist Product Review. Bye.